The usual way of cleaning the rod is not efficient. In search of some of the best and sustainable solutions that would make our country rise in technology, we thought of making this innovative machine that can clean a place in a short time. Where it was needed in 2 hours, it can be done in 30 minutes.
That's when we decided to sit together and plan to make a street sweeper machine.
To build this machine, we needed an adequate budget to purchase all the required equipment.
After gathering ideas and resources, we went to the shops for the various accessories we needed, including motors, brushes, wheels, and more.
After that, we crossed and welded the tube support of the machine, including connecting the main motor and wheels with gears and so on. We continued to build the body of the machine and we looked at the design that we had drawn, showing how our machine should look like.
While one of us worked on the body by welding and draining the metal, the other helped him, and then the other made the main brush, so that it would be used to raise the waist in the cage.
By building the body, we have created the wheel caster to help us direct our machine in different directions. We have reached the point where we are ready to finish the basics, so that the next day we can start setting up the cover sheet.
Before covering, we first made all the brushes that were missing on the sides, and then we crossed them and made sure that the whole machine was working properly. Now we can see the face of the whole machine with all the existing gears and all the existing motors.
We went to the market again to give the money, and they gave us the cover plate and other things related to the cover of the whole machine, including paints. We soon started to cover the whole machine in a very fast way.
Once the coating process is complete, the machine is cleaned and painted to enhance its appearance, from the aesthetic finishing touch to the precision of the electrical setup, ensuring both functionality and durability.
We got everything we wanted. Oh, that's amazing! Our machine is working properly.